this one. Daniel,
Daniel,
why?
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 Because
Because
this is the
this is the
categorical
categorical
data,
data,
sir.
sir.
What
What
data?
data?
Generally, in
Generally,
machine learning, it works with numerical data, but not with what exactly mean categorical
categorical
data.
data.
Fine.
Fine.
So, in
So
a
in a
given
given
data
data
frame, would you
frame,
have
would
a
you have a
total
total
150 rows? How many rows actually? 150 rows. Now, would you have mainly three types of targets? First target, first 50 value. Second target, next 50 value. Last third target, last 50 value. So they have divided in such a way that then here we are pure Python syntax. What exactly we are doing here, slicing. Can you tell me, sir? Slicing actually, right? So zero type of flower. So I hope setosa, versicolor, virginica. I hope zero to right. Zero and if you are not providing the number by default starts from zero. By default starts from 0. 0 to 49. 0 to what exactly, sir? 49. What is the number you are giving here? It will not access the last value. And here, starting from 50 till what exactly, man? 99. And here from 100 to what exactly, sir? 150, 149. Automatically, we'll get all this. Can I, so that I can confirm either this code is working or not? Why less students today? Online, at least, did they join over online? Come on. It takes some little longer time. Okay, good. Loading the data set. Come on. So let me just try to. Team, listen carefully. One small point I would like to tell. Important point. Important point. What is that point? So when you're talking about the AI, man, these are all algorithms. Tell me, these are all algorithms. Either this algorithm from, either it is coming from either ML, okay, or else DL. DL means deep learning. The next one NLP. The next one CV, computer vision. The next one Gen AI. Tell me. The next one agentic AI. What exactly mean agentic AI? These are all. You talk about any subject, either ML, DL, NLP, CV, Gen AI, agentic AI. Tomorrow some XAI is coming. Just imagine. No doubt at all. It should contain algorithm. It should contain. 2 days back, some recent update actually. Bolt, something like new like a chat GPT, new agent, Bolt or what? Claude. I forget, sir. If anybody remember that name, I forget the name actually. Okay, so let me tell you. Anyway, if new library is coming, no doubt at all, that should be algorithm. That should be what exactly mean? Algorithm actually, algorithm. Now, so let me tell you, these are all linear regression, machine learning algorithm. Linear regression is what man? Machine learning. Logistic regression, machine learning algorithm. These are all ML algorithms. Okay. Yeah. The next one, decision tree classifier. Decision tree, what exactly mean? Classifier, ML algorithm. Random forest classifier. Random forest, what exactly? Classifier. ML algorithm. SVC, I'm sorry. SVC is what exactly, sir? Machine learning algorithm. Same thing like that. Daniel, in Gen AI, what is the algorithm name? What is the algorithm name? So this is also called as a, can you tell me, so GPT, you might aware about the chat GPT, right? You might aware about what exactly? Chat GPT is a web application. Backend algorithm name is a GPT. Algorithm name is what exactly mean? GPT, which is also called as a LLM. One more time. One more time. LLM in the sense large language model. Model actually. Did you remember we are all creating here linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree. These are all we are creating algorithms. We are giving it training to the algorithms with the data. But when it comes to GPT, Chat GPT, it is one of the LLM model, one of the LLM model. This model is well trained with the text data. Well trained with what, man? When I say text data, it can be academic books, it can be all, so over the web, whatever information it is available. Yeah, whatever information it is available. It is to train with all data. Then what they're doing, they are giving that model as a pickle file. They are giving that model as a, then you should know what do you mean by pickle file. If you understand how to train a model, how to save a model by using pickle file, I'm sure maybe next week, Daniel, OpenAI company is giving the GPT model. Can I use in my program? Yes, we can use. Yes, we can use Sarji, right? So current GPT model is what exactly? 5.2, I guess, right? So go to OpenAI model. OpenAI models actually, you can just have to click on this one. These are all OpenAI models. So the updated model is a GPT 5.2. This one is a model. Think like a algorithm. Think like what exactly, sir? The algorithm name is called as a GPT. Algorithm name is called as what exactly? But this is not like a normal algorithm. This is a pre-trained algorithm. Tell me, sir, what do you mean by train and pre-train? Train means we need to give a training. Pre-train means it's already trained. Tell me, sir, it's already trained actually. Then though it is already trained, you can download and you can start use. You can just try to know the name of the model and you can start to use. Next week I can help you 2 to 3 examples. Don't miss the next week actually. Let me help you slowly by slowly. You should understand GenAI model also. Anyway, GenAI is into the Chat GPT. In our program, we can configure that GPT model. We can configure that GPT model in our program. You can write input function to take value at runtime. You can ask directly what is Python. GPT will respond actually. Who will respond, man? With ChatGPT, what are all activities you are doing? If you configure that GPT model in your laptop, in your program, you can do anything actually. Like a ChatGPT, what you're asking, everything you can ask to your program actually. That example next week I can help you. Sir, are you getting? Move on. Let's move on. Okay. So fine. Why the discussion came? So I wanted to ensure, make it clear. Okay, these are all we are going to work with SVC model. Fine. So step number 2, loading the data set is done, and the next one. Oh, there is a one special step here actually. Daniel, can I visualize? Yeah, you can visualize data visualization. Okay, sepal length and what exactly mean? Sepal width. So there are 3 types of flowers. First type having the sepal length, sepal width. Second type also having sepal length, sepal width. Third type also having what exactly mean? Sepal length, sepal width. Every 3 types of flower, every one having the sepal length and sepal width actually. Oh, interesting. What we are doing here, Sarji? Did you remember? Can I ask you a question? So what is a scatter here? Yeah, very good. Scatter is a predefined function coming from matplotlib actually. Okay. So simple, we are planning to applying, we are planning to create a scatter plot. In between, we are trying to finding the relation length and width. The two df1 means setosa. Tell me, Saji. Am I right or not, sir? Right? Now let us just have to draw this diagram. I would like to plt dot show. You will get an idea. Previously, those are just numbers, right? Can I visualize actually? Yes, you can do that. Yeah. Please just hold some time. Look at my screen. DF1 value. In a given image, you can find total DF1 value. Can I ask you a question? Total how many data points? Here, 50. How many, Sarji? 50. It starts from 0, 49 means 50 actually. Good. So please make a note. All 50 values we have taken. That too, on x-axis, what we are taking? Come on, please talk. On x-axis, on y-axis, sepal width, right? Now look at the diagram. Go back. Sir, diagram chudandi. Go back and look at the diagram. Go back and look at the diagram. Yeah, here is the diagram. Am I right? Where it is, sir? Yeah, here is a diagram. Good, good. Please make a note actually. Daniel, this is called as a sepal length. This is called as a sepal width. No doubt at all. Sepal length seems to be somewhat little longer than what exactly is sepal width. Exactly diagram also talking in a same way. Are you with me or not, sir? So please make a note. So, so this one is a sepal length, right? So if you are closely observing here actually, yeah, Daniel. So this one is a sepal length we are plotting on x-axis, sepal width we are plotting on what exactly mean? Y-axis. That's what you need to be understand. If you take any data point, if you take any data point, there is a one flower. That flower name is a sepal. I'm sorry, setosa. What is that one? Setosa. For that given data point, can you tell me what is the point, Sarji? 4.6 is the sepal length. And can you tell me 3 point almost 6 is what exactly? Width. I hope you understand. Length and width actually. If you take this data point, sir, can you tell me what it is? The length is the 5. Length is 4.9 I can say. And width is what exactly man? 3. Something like that actually. I believe you understand. Can I move on? This is first type of flower. What flower man? We'll do one thing. Like how you have taken sepal length and sepal width. Oh, very nice. So I have taken 0, df1, 0 here, a type of flower and second type of flower. Okay. So second type of flower. What is the second type of flower name? Versicolor. Now you can please understand. Like this is the way we can compare, oh, very nice, man. Did you notice actually? Hold on. Green color indicates to the first type of flower. The second one, blue color indicates to second type. Now I'm sure you can easy to understand. It is easy to understand. Ah, Compared to the first type of flower, second type of flower length is the very long actually. Did you notice? That comparison you can understand. If you're asking suddenly show me the flower, I may not show, but I can show the diagram. You can easy to understand. Are you with me or not, sir? Right. So this is the good representation. You can easy to understand. Daniel, can we plot two scatter plots in a single diagram? Yes, we done the same thing. We done the same thing actually. If you want, you can apply for the third one also. You can apply what man? Third one that you can take an assignment. Let me just try to take this. Show data visualization. Okay. Now, yes. So what is the next one? Can you please help me? Previously, I have taken sepal. Now, what I'm taking? Petal. Okay. So, okay. Sepal length and width I'm taking actually. Slowly by slowly, you should understand how to use advanced models also. Maybe not next week. Today only, let me introduce one small example. So that example you have to practice. Once we enter into the Gen AI, you will get a good hands-on. Is it okay? Not immediately, maybe after once we're done with the agent. I'm sorry. Once we're done with the SVM, I will introduce one generative AI example. What example? Generative, so Gen AI example. Get ready to understand. So that example is important. So simple. Can I tell you the beauty? It's a pure Python code. Tell me, sir, it's a pure Python code actually. It's a very easy. So don't worry. So move on. Where are we? Okay. Move on this, please. So Daniel, we done this. Can we take petal length this actually? Yeah, sure we can. Yeah. Be strong in Python. Now, can you help me? Previously, simple measurements we have taken. Now, simple. So seems to be, so first type of flower, df0, df0 first type of flower, petals we have taken, petal measurement. This one is the length and this one is what, man? Width. Get ready to understand. Second type of flower. Good comparison. Oh, very nice, man. So look at my diagram. So green is here, and the next one is what exactly, man? Blue is here actually. Now please look at my screen. Second type of flower length and width is what exactly, man? Very long, very long. Good comparison. Like this also you can easy to understand. Nice, sir. We done this. This is really good comparison. Third flower, second type of flower also you can compare. You will get a nice analogy. Now, I believe we can move on. Splitting the data. Get ready, Sarji. So, step number 1 we done. Step number 2 we done. Step number 3. What is the step number 3? Data preparation. Let's do that actually. Step number 3, data preparation. This one also we are not going to use. Step number 3. X and next one is what, man? Y. Iris dot, I hope you already know that. Can I take directly? So instead of this data frame, can I take this directly? It's okay. You have created a data frame, right? Good, Sarji. What is the column name I have added? Target only. But yesterday might be I have given capital T, I guess, right? It's okay. Did I added this column? Then why we need to drop actually? That's fine. Fine, then we done this. Come on, can you list out? What is error name? Maybe in this line, what error you can expect actually? Model not found error. From this line, what error you can expect? Import error. Very nice. First, one more time. Model not found error, import error. And so this line, what kind of error you can expect? Either this line or this line. Attribute error. What error, sir? This line, what line of error? Type error. Very good. I hope you already know this. When you're accessing a column name should be match. Otherwise, good. Remember, sir, maybe yesterday I explained these are all error names for you. Now the next one is so called as a splitting the data set. What is the topic name, Sarji? Splitting the data set. Step number 4. This is so called as a splitting the data set. Daniel, how to split the data set? Boarding the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation. The next one is a model creation. Unknowingly, you already done this SVC. When? During K-fold cross validation. During what exactly, man? Yes, we done actually. Model creation. Step number 5, model creation. Yeah, you can just to create an object to the SVC. SVC is a predefined class. SVC is what exactly mean? Predefined class. Yes, we have created this class. We are good to go. What is the next one, Sergi? Model training. So step number 5. Like a how SVC is algorithm, GPT is a model. It is what exactly, sir? Model. What type of model it is actually? LLM, large language model. Large language model actually. Here, once we create this model created by company name is a OpenAI. What is the company name? OpenAI. OpenAI company. The company name number 6. Daniel, what happened for you? I'm sorry. Yeah. Can you help me? X underscore prime. The next one, Y underscore prime. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry. Let's move on. Good. Nice. Can you read one more time? Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation, model training. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Fine. Next move on. Next one is a model score. What is the next one, Sergi? Model score. Daniel, can I check the model score? Let's take this example. Steps from 1 to 6. 1 to 6. I wanted to check the model score. How much score it is giving. When I was running, how much it has given? 96. Checking model score. Okay. 93. Why the difference here 96 and here 93? Yeah. Okay. Now the 93. Let us rerun again. 100. Oh my God. Let us rerun one more time. 96. Let us rerun one more time. Good. Can you tell me first time? 93. Next time? 100. Next time? 96. Next time? I don't want change every time. What I need to do?
Random
Random
underscore set.
underscore state. You know, I guess during interview they will ask. I run model 4 times. 4 times it is giving different answer, but I need always, unique value. Then you need to tell introduce random underscore state, that keyword argument actually. What that what that keyword argument it will do, only first time shuffling and remains it keeps constant actually. Right? So please understand that is important. We are not using here that actually. That's what it is keep on dancing. Online team, can I talk with you? Are you following, sir? Madam? Nice, you guys improved actually. What might be the error? Good. So if I highlighted this one means think like this one something went wrong. What is the error actually? Attribute error. What might be the error? Very good. What error? Mean what is the name of the model? Model. But you are using in a different way. Then what is error? Name error. Let us cross validate whatever answer you are giving. Either it is right or not. Let me cross verify. Oh, very nice man. Name error. Valid actually. But let me just try to observe one more time. And here, let me give wrong actually. Can you tell me error? Attribute error. I request you be strong in errors. Be strong in what, sir? You should remember errors actually. Errors call me. Okay. Now go back here and let me just try to provide the wrong name. Can you guess the error? Type error. Oh, nice. Why warning? Why warning? By this time you should be good actually. మీరు directly ML algorithm is giving a cool warning. Anna, please pass array actually. Please pass what exactly? Array actually. So please make a note on this. Only out of everybody, Ramya madam answered actually. Ramya and Soumya garu. It's okay. Cool. Let's move on. So can I just try to steps from 1 to 7. You do little practice, Sajid. That's what you need to be understand regarding SVM. So I can close this. Now let us, yeah, we're done with the SVM. Now let me answer this question. So our friend, so Mukhtar sir is asking a question. That question will be, Array Daniel, when should we use train underscore test underscore split? When should we use careful cross validation actually? Right. So techniques. What is the first technique? Can you tell me? What is the first one? Train underscore test underscore split. Second one, k-fold cross validation. K-fold cross what exactly mean? Validation. Good, let me tell. Good. The first one is called as a, I have read one book actually. So I have read a few books. Best books actually. The author name is a, what is the author name? Author name is a Jason Brownlee. What exactly, sir? Jason Brownlee. In official documentation, you never ever find out which one is the best actually. But he done PhD in machine learning. Did I told this one? PhD in ML actually. I like who done PhD. Why? Because they do have a lot of time. This technique he called in one book. There was one line he written in that book actually. This is one is he's calling as a golden standard technique. Tell me, sir, what technique actually? Golden standard technique. I mean to say, all companies are using, all projects we need to use also. All companies are using this technique. Are using what exactly? This technique actually. This technique. Repeating again, officially in machine learning documentation, you never ever find this kind of term. But he's the one of the, my feeling, he's the one of the best ML engineer. He is giving one definition. I can say train underscore test underscore split technique. I can give one more name. That name is a golden standard technique. If somebody is comparing with the gold, that is a very serious concern actually. That is a very serious definition. Then we have to believe this is really. Don't say like, Daniel, can I say diamond technique actually? No, no, no. I'm sorry. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. What exactly we need to do is, first we need to apply. Tell me, sir, first we need to apply. We need to apply. Maybe I already covered this step actually. So please make a note on this one. First we need to apply. What we need to apply? Train underscore test underscore split. Then is my answer valid or not? I wanted to validate. I wanted to then go for cross validation. Go for what, man? Best example, you got a task. You have implemented with the train underscore test underscore split actually. Now it's the right time you have to submit the results to your senior. Then before submitting, try to apply what exactly? K-fold cross validation also. This one also will give the correct answer only. You can confirmly, you can tell to your senior, nah, I'm sure this algorithm is the best. I applied not only train underscore test underscore split, I have done validation also. I have validated also. I have what exactly mean? Validated also. I believe you understand actually, right? And do you wanted to, is my answer valid or not? Is my model score, so valid or not? Check, validate actually. Check by using k-fold. Tell me, Sajid, k-fold cross validation. Not only this one, Saji, in future, there is one more topic will come. The topic name is a hyperparameter tuning technique. What is the technique actually? Hyperparameter tuning technique. That is one of the important topic. Look at our material. Hyperparameter tuning technique, grid search CV, randomizer search CV. These are all here you can see. So what you guys need to understand is, in company level, we are working with the both. We are working with what exactly mean? Both actually. So please make a note on this one. So the second one is just for validation purpose. What purpose? In almost all companies, we are using train underscore test underscore split. Golden standard technique. What technique actually? Why golden standard technique, Can you tell me the ratio? 70-30. Tell me, sir. 70-30. 70 model well known. 70 data model what exactly mean? Well known. 30% of the data model unknown actually. Unknown. Model supposed to do the good prediction on unknown data. Model supposed to do the good prediction on what, man? Then only the model is good model actually. The model is what exactly? Good model. Anyway, these are all definition I can add on one more time. during underfitting and overfitting topic. What topic actually? Underfitting and overfitting. Now conclusion of the story. Mukhtar Sarji, in industry level, we are using more. We are using both actually. No worries. Just now I have seen your text again. Mukhtar sir. Okay. Make a note of this. It would be good to get a hands on both techniques. You should aware both techniques actually. That is a best way to judge any model. Okay. Yeah. All right, sir. So SVM we already done. SVC. In front of you, uh, let me let me run let me run let me run GPT code actually. GPT model. What exactly? GPT model in our program. In our what exactly? Program actually. What exactly I'm planning is, so in my program, I'm using SVM. I'm sorry, I'm using SVC. I can use logistic regression. I can use linear regression. Same thing like that. Can I use GPT model? Can I use what model, man? We can use actually. We can what exactly, sir? Use. Daniel, can you show one example? Yes, let me show you. Let me show you an idea. You can just try to come here. This example is seriously very good example. OpenAI, GPT model, basic example. Basic example. You guys try from your side and you have to understand this. Daniel, is it required? Hold on. I just need only that code actually. Uh, OpenAI API documentation. Documentation. Okay. Click on this. What is documentation? We'll see later. API reference. API reference. The system is hanging. Documentation. This is JavaScript code. We belong to. Click on this. Copy this. Control S. Demo 2.py. Demo what exactly, man? 2.py. Good, good, good. Get ready, sir. Very simple. Very nice. So everybody look at my screen. Everybody, please. From OpenAI, import OpenAI. Can you please tell me what is a OpenAI? Predefined class. Very good. Tell me, sir. Predefined class. I hope you already know the story actually, right? So you are creating you are importing a class. Then what is the next line? Creating an object. Yeah, two steps are matching. Third step, please make a note. We need to call a method. We need to call what, man? Method actually. Good. Instead of calling method, what we're doing, by using object name, by using what, sir? Object name, we are calling, yeah, object name, we are calling something, no parenthesis. Can you tell me attribute? This whole line returns something again. On top of that, we are calling again method actually. We are calling again what exactly, man? Can I write the code in front of you? నేను మీకు మీ ముందు కోడ్ రాయమంటారా? Did you remember df.shape actually? df.shape returns tuple. Returns what, man? On top of this one, you can call count method. What method actually? Count method of count of one I wanted to know. If you understand this syntax, understanding this syntax will be no problem at all. Repeating again, data frame. Data frame dot shape returns tuple. Data frame dot shape returns on top of tuple. Can I apply tuple related method? Is you can apply tuple related method. I believe you understand actually. Okay. Now, yeah. So generally, uh, response equals to client dot responses dot create. Yeah, this one is a method actually. You no need to be worried. Man, tell me my favorite syntax. Keyword argument. What is the first one? Model. What is the next one? Model. What model I'm planning to use? GPT-5.2, like a SVM, like a linear regression, like a logistic regression. How would you have a machine learning algorithm? OpenAI released GPT model. This algorithm name is called as a LLM model. What model, sir? LLM actually, large language model. That model name you have to configure exactly like in the same way actually. Then you can ask what you want actually. Write a short bedtime story about what exactly man? Unicorn actually, unicorn. Otherwise, here you can write something like, so hi, how are you? Indirectly, you're asking to the chat GPT. You're asking to chat GPT. Good, very good. Right. Sir, left hand side object with left hand side. You're accessing something by using object name, no parenthesis. Nice, man. Can I run the code actually? Yes, let me run the code. Everybody look at my screen. What you're asking, you're asking to the chat GPT, hello, how are you? Hello, what exactly, man? How are you? It's taking some time. Hi, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. And how are you doing? This is the one of the answer. Sometimes ChatGPT will respond, I'm not a human. I don't have a feelings and emotions. Did you remember? Right? Yeah, good. So even, so you can ask like this. You can, so I'm not getting sleeping. Tell me one short horror story. What story, man? Horror. I like horror movies, horror stories actually. We'll see. నాకు నిద్ర పట్టట్లేదు చిన్న స్టోరీ చెప్పమని అడుగుతున్నావు టు హోమ్ వీఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ చాట్ జీపీటీ సో యూ హ్యావ్ కాన్ఫిగర్డ్ ఇన్ యువర్ ప్రూవ్ ఓకే సో ఓ మై గాడ్ ఎట్ 3:07 a.m. my phone lit up with what exactly? New voicemail. It was my voice whispering, don't go to the sleep. I'm sorry. I laughed, thinking it was a so prank until the message continued softer. He's standing behind you. I can see him because you turned the lights off actually. The room was dark and my screen black glass and showed blah 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 blah. So make a note actually. Even if you're asking to think like we are communicating with the chat GPT. We are communicating with what man? You can ask what is Python. You can ask what is exactly man Python actually. What is Python? What is exactly Python? Can I make it this one at runtime? Can I make it this one at runtime actually? Yes, you can make it this one at runtime. You can use predefined function. Yeah. Did you notice Python is a high level and general? No doubt at all. First line belongs to our material actually. Am I right or not, sir? So conclusion of the story, we are communicating with what exactly mean GPT model. What model? GPT model actually. This model name should be matched with OpenAI model actually. If I'm copy paste this example in running notes, if you're running this program, you will get error. You will get what exactly mean? Error actually. Yeah, good. So what kind of error you will get, Online team, please take the same code. Online team, please take the same code and you can try to run in your program actually. Run in your program. You will get error. Good. What is error actually? Module not found error. Let me take this code. Yo, sorry. So conclusion of the story, chat GPT. Exactly. I have copied the code here actually. Don't worry. Now please make a note. Good. Daniel, to get the output actually, to get output, to get what exactly mean output. We need to do two steps actually. Listen carefully. We need to do the two steps. 10:23. We have a time. Step number one. Everybody look at my screen. Everybody please look at my screen. Step number one. Install OpenAI. Install what exactly mean? OpenAI. So pip install OpenAI. OpenAI we have to install. So pip install OpenAI we have to install. Maybe I already installed actually in my laptop. Pip install OpenAI API. OpenAI. That's it actually. ఇంకేమేమి అడుగుతారు చాట్ జీపీటీని మీరు యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ యూఆర్ కమ్యూనికేటింగ్ విత్ సో చాట్ జీపీటీ యాక్చువల్ I don't know online team nobody didn't run. I have shared the code actually, but that's still okay. Oh, very nice. blah blah blah. You can upgrade. That's still okay. Let me upgrade. Man, see how nice it is. Almost I I'm sorry. Configure API key in your good. One more time. Please read it actually. Configure API key in your good. Let me tell you what is API key. You should get an idea. Okay, Daniel, what is API key? What is API key? Can you please answer this one? Yes, I will answer. Before answer this question, please look at my screen, everybody. Before answer this question, please listen. So my name is Daniel. My college, MCA college is NIE. My MCA college is I have done all my studies at NIE, Newton Institute of Engineering and Technology, which belongs to Macharla, Guntur district actually. Macharla, Guntur district. That's still okay. Daniel, why you're telling this one? Hold on. That was my joining day. That was my what exactly mean? Joining day. So almost the gate, before gate of that college actually, such a big college, around huge campus actually. That gate man stopped. That security guard stopped. He is asking, who are you? Tell me, who are you? And, once you log in with them, once you register with them, they will give one key actually. How college is giving ID, this company will give one API key. That key, this company will give one key. That key is called as what exactly mean? API. What is API? No, application programming interface. Tell me, application programming interface. Hey Daniel, how to get this key? Up, upcoming discussion. Upcoming discussion actually. First of all, are you clear? API key is something like a ID code in between us and company actually. Indirectly, we are telling to the OpenAPI company, whenever you are asked, when you are running this kind of program, what program actually? This program. First to this program will hit so OpenAI company. There is a door and our program reaching to that company. That company will ask, where is ID actually? Right? So indirectly, this ID is configured, GPT. Where it is configured, Saji? Now let's configure. Can I show you what is OpenAPI key actually? Let me show you the key. Key actually. Key చూపించమంటారా? Daniel, is it important? I don't know. I feel I wanted to reduce, but anyway, these are all upcoming sessions, Sarji. These are all what exactly mean? Upcoming session. Even if you didn't understand also, that is still fine for, still fine actually. Don't worry. But do practice. One time practice, it will be helpful for you. From here to here. This is the API key. This is the value. This is the value. This is the key actually. This is the value. API key. Name. API key name is a OpenAI underscore API key. Below one is the key. Below one is what exactly key. I know by looking at this one, you got one question. That question will be, Daniel, in interview, is anybody will ask, tell me your OpenAI key, then do I need to tell SK-PN? Nobody never ask it. Are you clear or not, sir? So please make a note. So this is the API key. This is what exactly mean? API key, right? So let me configure in environment variable. What exactly mean? Environment variable. Environment variable. I will repeat two times actually. Everybody look at my screen. Can I get a response from you? I want you to run this example. Which example actually? This example. How many things you need to do? Two things you need to do. Step number one, install OpenAI. Step number two, configure API key in your environment variable. I given a clear picture. What is the API key? I given a clear picture. What exactly mean? API key. I hope, did you understand? Now it's the right time. Take this API key. Take this API key. We have to do the small setup actually. This setup you don't need to do in company. Why? Because company will do automatically. But you should know how they are doing actually. Right. So you do one thing. You do one thing. Go to your computer. Everybody look at my screen. Two times. Three times also I will explain. Give right click here. Properties. చెప్పండి సార్. ప్రాపర్టీస్, advanced system settings. Once you are getting this kind of window, here you will get advanced system settings. Even Windows 11 also same. Windows 11 also same. Advanced system settings. And here you will get environment variable. Come on, one more time. Can we do it actually? Right click. Tell me rename, right? Properties. The next one, advanced system settings. The next one, environment variables. Tell me, environment variables. Click on here. You may get a user variable. You may get a system variable. System variable, you have to focus. What you have to focus? System variable. System variable, you have to focus. What exactly you need to do, let me delete this. So here you can click on new. Under system variable, you can click on what, man? New. When you are clicking on new two text boxes you can see. What is the first one? Variable value. Next one, variable name. Variable name and variable value. Variable name should be this one as it is. No change actually. And value should be open API key. Don't provide the space also. Don't provide what exactly means? Space also. Space also. Now click on, click on, click on. That's it. Then I'll explain one more time. I will explain. Don't worry. Did you understand, sir? Let me explain one more time. Once this setup is done, close previous command prompt. Close what exactly mean? Previous command prompt. Run the example. That example will be run in your laptop. That example will be run in your what exactly mean? Laptop actually. Then indirectly, so that API key is a bridge in between your program and OpenAI company. You are hitting OpenAI company API actually. Right. Can you please help me, Sarji? Tell me, sir. Properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. Can I make a note? Right click on my PC, my computer, properties, advanced system settings. Next one, environment variables. Go to, click on system variable. What exactly, sir? System variable. Click on system variable. Under system variable, click on new variable value. I request you, this is the confidential and more secured. Don't post in any Facebook or anywhere else actually. Are you with me or not, sir? This is the very confidential. Maybe on Monday you can remind me. I will show you how to create this. How to create this. To create this one, we need to add a money to the OpenAPI account actually. You no need to add. I already added. I do have a few dollars in my account actually. If you are started using this one, it consumes money. Back end actually. I will show you. I will show you what is the concept. Okay, that we can talk later. Here you can copy key. You can copy what exactly, sir? Key. Copy key. Sir, don't type copy key. Are you with me? So I'm sorry. So let's take this. You may copy like this. I believe you understand. Once you done this setup, trust me, you can click on OK, OK, OK. Then I'm sure everything set actually. Then click on OK, click on OK, and click on OK. Now run the program. Now open new command prompt, and run the program. Run what exactly program? We'll get output. We'll get what exactly, sir? Output actually. I'm sure these steps you need to be followed. This is the generative AI example. What example? Gen AI example actually. Indirectly, we are using pre-trained model. Tell me, Sarji, pre-trained model. That model name is called as a GPT. What is the model name, sir? GPT. All right, that's it. Can you do this activity? Yeah, Daniel, we can do this. Sir, let me close today's session. We done today's session.